today I will write the last function we need for this project. So after this closing bracket, just double click, then write your comment. This function will retrieve the current temperature. So get current temp, and it will have this asynchronous programming type of programming. That means, as I mentioned earlier, when you want to retrieve data back from the server, you must wait till the process complete. That's why we're going to use the future function. So future void, then get temp async. First, I will import a dependency for the HTTP. So go here, just click on install. Just you can go to Flutter HTTP and it will get you here. Copy this line, then go to popspec.yaml here, paste it here, and don't forget the indentation. Then packages git to update your project. Then click on example, copy this line, and now go to the main, scroll up, paste it here. Now you can use its functions. Here they just rename it as HTTP. You can either rename it or remove this part. It's not mandatory. So response. Oh wait. http.get. Then here I will pass the URL here, which is the API. So first, just go to open weather map website. Click here. Then click on API. Then under this current weather data, just click on API doc. Scroll down, and then here we want to get the current weather data by the coordinates. So we will use this one. If you want to display the JSON response like this, there is an extension for Google Chrome. You can just add it to your browser, which is JSON. This one. It's right here. You can just add this extension, and it will look like this. This is the sample data, so we'll use it first. Just open your Android Studio, then paste it here. Now, let's see. Yeah, looks good. Then you can print the response. Print response. Just click on, if you have the virtual device running, just click on the hot reload. We didn't get the results back here because I forgot to put this to call this function inside the build function out there. Here. Because if you didn't call it, there's no way it's going to be executed or implemented. Now just click hot reload, and let's see what we have. We have the result here, but it says it's instance of response. So what does that mean? Just go back to the browser. First, just copy this line, copy response, and then go back. I'm too lazy to retype it again. Here. Let's see the API reference. Just click on it. And then here, just paste it here. The response. It says response class and HTTP response, where the entire response body is known in advance. So we are interested in this part, body. The body means the body of the response, where you have all of these data. So this is the body. We want to print the body of this response. So now, and how you can do it, just scroll down here. All you have to do, just add dot body, then hot reload, and let's see the results. Yeah, we got the results back from the server. As you can see here, the whole information is here. If you want to display the data on the interface, for example the temperature here, all you have to do, first you have to import a package like this. It's called convert this one. This package will help us to decode the JSON format, and then we can use it in our app to be displayed on the interface instead of this hard-coded text. So now I will declare a new variable of type var. So I will name it data decoded. Then JSON. This function is from the package we just imported. So what do they mean by source? The source, it means this, the response body, because it holds all of the information. This is the source of data. So copy it here. I will declare two variables. The first one holds the temperature, and the second one holds the description. I just changed my mind about the icon because I don't have the icons ready now, so I will use the description instead of the icon. Let me show you what I meant by description. The weather description here, that means the weather is clear. Clear sky. That's what I meant by description. So I will have to do some changes in the widgets. So first variable var temp decoded data decoded. And to make it easier for you, just open the API and copy the path of this description, then paste it down here, then just add square brackets, then cut and paste it inside in the same order, then the index 0, then the last thing, description, and remove this one. Let's print temp and see the value of it. Just click on hot reload. Here we have it, clear sky. Now I will declare the second variable, var string. Sorry, I just messed it up. I will rename this to description. And here var temp, which will hold the temperature. Data decode. Then let's go to the weather API and let's see where's the temperature. It's right here. Just copy the path and paste it here. Square bracket. Oh, sorry, I forgot the quotes. Then another one for the temp. Then semicolon. Then print temp and just click on hot reload. Yeah, we got the temperature here. That's it for today. See you in the next one.